Every song that you sing is like you are talking about your life. You are talking about your life.
It's just like grief. Every pain we go through in this life left as a scar. I wonder how my face will be like. You will be running away from me, 'cause I'll be scary by now. All the things I have seen, my mouth cannot say, and the pains I have felt, this tongue cannot tell. Nina chino me da sumitin kwa mua. Nina chino me da sumi wampatia. Hey, nadumo. This is my testimony, and I will tell the whole world. This is the testimony, and I will tell the whole world of how you rescued me, how you saved my life, Lord. You rescued me. Change me, NTA, your grace and mercy. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Lord. Your grace and mercy brought me this far. NTA. Thank you, Jesus. It's just like grief. I'm family team.
Abena, people, when you are in this paper. paper. Me my paper me the answer. I have to clear it. Abena, but me and I started by checking on the YouTube. I'm checking on YouTube and I'm going to say you have gone through something that I didn't know. Apart from award there. Tell me another 1 minute of some of the things that will fair more. Now will be a depression, whatever. Your mother died and things were hitting you left and right. Tell me, I know the informal
mainly because in our day I'm a kind was years before we after we crime release the
okay.
This far was really inspired by Adena afem kakans. I was going my lonely battles actually.
Lonely
battles actually. Ankunam rebel.
Yeah.
And see, when I was battling with depression and anxiety, now I would say a lot of people come obey me. My papa got to know because I spoke to my uncle Bishop Ojiasari.
Yes, Bishop.
Onono has done a bit of psychology, not a bit, so I acquire master so said the ankasa. And I for video ankasa because there are things I kind of when one penny be saying. But papa me saying and said that I'm dying. I say profess good things no can. So I saw catch me, but that is not what I needed. I needed medical help ankasa. Now my battle with anxiety and depression for so long until now I think I may do breaking point and nipa meeting in a car me mama to make us say rabna tonyum or say to tonyum. Now at that point now na me here no palm because that's the time na me try say me film. Now me mama so call me mama call a time and not me did when yami mono a different level because I knew God for who my father said he was, who my mother said who he was, and who the Bible said he was. But I needed to experience God for myself. If they said he's a provider, he should provide for me to see that he's a provider. No, providing for Abraham doesn't make him my provider.
Yeah.
He has to prove himself to me. So it was that time that he was proving himself. Brought in strangers to help me fight my fears. And just when I thought, me sending me my voice note, Miss Auntie Mary, because I was getting some help.
The cyber now he.
I'm a wabuchi. And see, and the money because I had no say. But be my so. Because I was fighting depression and anxiety, it will be my so. And I remember me started say, oh yari. Me yari and so yari or did that obey bosumi and over and see. Na me yam she me say obewu and no so abeka ho. Anxiety na ya yim hihia abeka me ene no so beka ho but na me wo gidie say me ho beto no eno na ma me koye na things broke down for me because na me wo gidie that time na I was getting into a personal place with God because na me nim say me ka me see erade so wo na say ya wo pese me to na mo we ya bie kwan a me hu na me ka se we de nyame pe na bie